What is up, guys? Today we are driving a train, but there's a twist. Every single time I miss a stop or don't do the right stop, I reveal something about me. And it might be my gaming setup or whatever. So let's try not to miss a stop or anything. But because I'm not ready to do it basically or anything like that yet. But yeah, make sure you like, subscribe, and now enjoy this banger video. So let's get started. Yeah, just saying I have no idea what the controls are on Xbox, and then do not ask why am I fish now either. Because honestly, I have no idea. Okay, please. Let's turn up the volume. Now it's more like a train. The stop we go to next is Stratford Central. Yeah. Okay, so let's just wait that 10 minutes for us to get that. Oh, that one is actually close. I did not know it was this close.
Service to Stratford Victoria, calling at City Hospital, Financial Quarter, and Stratford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
I almost accidentally missed the stop.
This is Stratford Central. This train is for Stratford Victoria.
Wait for all the
The
passengers
next
to load on.
station is City Hospital.
Oh yeah, I forgot this thing speaks as well. Almost something about you already. That's crazy.
Welcome on board this Stratford Connect service to Stratford Victoria. We will shortly be arriving at City Hospital. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. Financial Quarter and Stratford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches. This is City Hospital. This train is for Stratford Victoria. The next station is Financial Quarter.
Quarter now, which is where's financial quarter or whatever. 34 miles.
Welcome on board this Stratford Connect service to Stratford Victoria. We will shortly be arriving at Financial Quarter.
I don't think I'm gonna have to reveal
Please mind the
anything
gap
about me.
between the train and the platform. This to Stratford Victoria. Calling at Stratford Victoria.
My first time
This
driving
train
a
is formed
train
of
or
4
anything.
coaches.
Really not like one of my the first time for me.
This is Financial
Really
Quarter.
not one of the first times.
This train is for
driving
Stratford
a train or
Victoria.
anything.
The next station is Stratford Victoria.
Yeah. I have once in this game. But yeah. So, also, sorry if you can't hear me or anything. Just yeah. I don't even know. Sometimes my voice goes quiet. Sometimes it goes louder and stuff like that. Awaiting final dispatch. Oh yeah, finally. And now we have to go to Stratford, Victoria at 45 miles.
Welcome on board this Stratford Connect service to Stratford, Victoria. The next station is Stratford, Victoria. We will shortly be arriving at Stratford, Victoria. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This train terminates here. Or change, please. This is Stratford, Victoria. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Also, guys, just saying, we're gonna do like 2 more full rounds of all the train driver and stuff.
The train now standing at platform 1 is the 11:24 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. Calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Stepford, Waterlooton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
So I might as well just get myself a cup of tea and all that stuff. Get myself a cup of tea, some drink, some cookies, stuff, some biscuits, donuts, go to Tesco, get some drink and stuff like that, and then come back and it's still gonna be loaded. So then I eat all that stuff, drink all of it, and then it's finally done loading. What am I saying? What am I? I can't speak now. Yeah, I don't even know.
Welcome on board this Stratford Connect service to Leighton City.
We haven't had any.
We will be calling at Financial Quarter, City Hospital, Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Stepford, Waterloo, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. The next station is Financial Quarter. We will shortly be arriving at Financial Quarter.
I missed it.
Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
My name is Josiah. Yeah. You probably all know that already, but yeah.
We will shortly be arriving at City Hospital. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Oh, bruh. As soon as I say we haven't had any red lights yet, we get a red light. Which one's the least break? Oh, that one. I knew that. Every day of the week.
Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Steplow, Waterlooton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road,
This is
Leighton
City
City.
Hospital.
This
This
train
train
is
is
formed
for
of 4
Leighton
coaches.
City. The next station is Stepford Central.
Your attention, please. The 11:44 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton
We
City.
have so much
The
to
next
go
station is Stepford Central. We will shortly be arriving at Stepford Central. Change here for services to Stepford Airport Central,
Service to
Eastleigh,
Leighton
Morgantown, Stepford USC, Whitefield,
St Helens
and
Bridge,
Willowfield.
Angel Pass,
Please
Hayden,
mind the gap
Coxley,
between the train and the
Benton,
platform.
Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton
This is
Stepford Road,
Stepford Central.
Leighton
This
City.
train is for Leighton City.
Of
The
four
next
coaches.
station is Stepford East. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. We will be calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. The next station is Stepford East.
Are you kidding me now? Please wait. Please wait. Yeah, now I have to wait. Oh yeah, I don't have to wait that long.
We will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Change here for services to Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of four coaches.
This is Stepford East. This train is for Leighton City. The next station is St Helens Bridge.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is taking long.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. The next station is St Helens Bridge. We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
What? Too many emergency brakes at Plymouth. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? No, bro. 2 more. I said, yeah, let's just do like 3 more, and then we'll just end it off there to there.
Stepford Connect, Service 2, Leighton City. Calling at Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge,
City Hospital.
Hampton Hargate,
This
Upper
train is for
Staplow,
Leighton
Water
City.
Newton,
The
Rocket
next station
Parade,
is
Leighton,
Stepford
Stepford
Central.
Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 11:32 Stepford Connect, Service 2, Stepford Victoria. Calling at Financial Quarter and Stepford Victoria. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Okay, now we can go forward. Then it didn't take us 10 minutes or anything.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. We will be calling at Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper
Stepford
Stapleton,
Connect, Service
Water
2,
Newton,
Leighton
Rocket
City.
Parade,
Calling
Leighton
at
Stepford Road,
Stepford East,
and
St
Leighton
Helens
City.
Bridge,
The
Angel
next
Pass,
station is
Bowden,
Stepford
Coxley,
Central.
Benton,
We will
Benton
shortly be
Bridge,
arriving at
Hampton Hargate,
Stepford Central.
Upper Staplow,
Change here for
Water
services
Newton,
to
Rocket
Stepford
Parade,
Airport Central,
Leighton,
Beachley,
Stepford Road,
Morganstown,
and Leighton
Stepford
City.
UFC,
This train is
Whitefield,
formed of 4
and
coaches.
Willowfield. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform. This is Stepford Central. This
Okay,
train is for
this
Leighton
is
City. The next station is
our last
Stepford
stop
East.
for this video, guys.
Welcome on
Make
board
sure
this
you guys
Stepford Connect
like,
service
subscribe,
to Leighton City. We will be calling at
and
Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Stapleton, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. The next station is Stepford East.
is it just me or do you feel like that I'm gonna just cough up the last stop and I'm gonna have to, yeah, build something?
We will shortly be arriving at East. Change here for services to Berrily. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Leighton, Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
This is Stepford East. This train is for Leighton City. The next station is St Helens Bridge.
And now we reset. for today, guys. If you enjoyed this video, have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.